Welcome to our channel How to Guide everybody. Today I'll teach you guys how we guys can redeem Happy You gift card. So follow the step and make sure your Happy You gift card is near you because now you're going to need to remember your gift card's number, alright? So follow the step. But before that, just hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. Let's move on. First step, you want to go to happycards.com, which is the official website of Happy You card. Once you're in its official website, click on versus help. Once you do that, click on redeem your card. It's going to take you to your card redeeming page. Over here, scroll a bit down and choose the type of gift card you have. I have a paper gift card. I'm going to click on it. And if you have an email one, you need to click on this. And if you have a plastic, you want to click on this, alright? I'm going to click on paper since I have paper. Scroll a bit down, click on redeem now again. It's going to take you to the redeeming page. And once you're in your redeeming page, make sure you enter your card number and a card's pin and click on redeem. It should work. But in my case, due to some reason, it's not working properly right now, so I can't show you that. But once you click on redeem now, it's going to take you to the redeeming page where you guys can enter your card details and it should work, alright? So hope you understand. If you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.